What is up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Terra Luna Classic right now, currently exploding, breaking out of this resistance that I've been talking about for the past couple of days. We had a resistance right here and a resistance right here. Now, if you guys follow me in my Twitter or on my Twitter, I said cup and handle on Lunc. I'm going to get to that in just a second. And of course, I said Lunc is breaking out. People are making money off my link, off my signal channel. So this is right here, cup and handle on Lunc. If resistance break, play the breakout and long Lunc. Entry, stop loss, take profit, and risk management. So I give you guys two take profits essentially. 63 people are on here. It starts at $99 a month only, and this is exactly what is happening. Lunc is currently exploding and breaking out of this region. Now, for those of you guys who don't know what a cup and handle is essentially it's very, very simple. Okay, we got a cup right here and then a handle. Now, if I actually take everything and delete it, okay, so I take and I minimize that, okay, I'm going to explain to you guys exactly the definition of a cup and handle on the 4-hour time frame, because that's where it looks the best, okay? Cup and handle are usually bullish, okay? For those of you guys who don't know, this was my target. How do you target? You take the bottom of the cup, the top of the resistance, and you take it at the breakout. Look at that. We came exactly at 35, 0.00035. Now, what is a cup and handle, and how can we identify it? Well, this is the cup right here, okay? It's when we essentially make a nice little U pattern, come back, and then make another U pattern, okay? This is like a teacup. It looks literally like a cup and handle, okay? Like that, like a teacup. Very, very simple, nothing too crazy. And these patterns are often bullish when we essentially break a very, very strong resistance. So if you guys remember on my Twitter, I was talking about the resistance on Lunc right here. I said, Lunc trying to break resistance. We can run one, it's broken, okay? I made a nice little emoji right here, a rocket, everything was exploding, everything was looking good, okay? Boom. We were on this resistance as well. We know the trend is your friend until it bends, right? No question. This was a trend right here. Trend is your friend until it bends. Boom. We exploded away from the trend. I'm also going to have a look at the EMA ribbons in a second, but before I get into that in just a second, I want to have a look at where the potential target can be for Lunc, okay? First of all, we are above this resistance right here, as you guys can see, and this resistance comes back all the way to there right here, which is September 1st, okay? So we were in this, we were below this resistance for quite some time. So right here, September 14, all the way up till October, that's when we were below this resistance, and we kept on hitting it. And we know every time we hit the resistance, it essentially gets weaker and weaker and weaker. Now, where can the target be? Well, my target is already taken. TP1 is already taken. We took profit number one if you are on my signal channel. My second target would approximately be 37, which is this near resistance, okay? Now, of course, you don't want to go all the way up here. The real resistance would be anywhere around this area, but we don't want to be greedy. We want to take profit a little bit before. That's why I give you guys two take profits, because it's never good to be greedy. Maybe we're going to come back and retest before exploding back up. Now, we know, guys, every time we essentially break out of a resistance, we come back, retest that region before exploding again. And this is exactly what happened. We're exploding. The question is, are we going to retest before popping back up? Very, very possible. My next entry would essentially be right here for Terra Luna Lunc. TP1 is already taken once again. Now, if we have a look on the 4-hour time frame on the EMA ribbon. Now, the EMA ribbons, guys, if you guys know, are one of my favorite indicators. Now, let's have a look at some of the history to refresh our minds. We got rejected right here ever since we came above the EMA ribbon. Ever since we essentially trended above it. This was always a support region for the exponential moving average, and every time we're below it, it's essentially a resistance level, right? So of course it's bearish when we're below it, and it's bullish when we're above it. Now, we had that nice little short squeeze right here. This is when CZ announced that they were going to do the 0.01% burn on Binance. Nothing too crazy, but of course, we came back down, retested the EMA ribbon, trended a little bit above it, and then exploded away from the EMA ribbon. So this is exactly what is happening right now on Terra Luna Lunc overall. So, having a look at the stochastic RSI, the stochastic RSI seems like we have some more room to explode. Look at that. The last time we were at this high was right here at 87. Now, look where we're sitting right now. The regular RSI is sitting at 47, and the blue one is sitting at 65. Are we going to get that explosion all the way to this region to 92, 84, and explode even more? Yes, that is very, very possible. I believe that the next candle will be very, very bullish, which closes in 36 minutes and 51 minutes. And if we close on the daily time frame above this resistance right here, which I think we will, which ends in 36 minutes and 45 seconds, that would be extremely, extremely bullish for Terra Luna Lunc, guys. If you are in my signal channel, congratulations, you made a lot of money. I'm happy for you. Now, personally, me, 12%, 15% is a good amount of money on spot. for me personally. If you guys did leverage 1, 2, 3, 4x, that is fantastic. You made literally bank. You made at least 50% if you did a 5x leverage, which is amazing. So congratulations, guys. And that's about it. Let's have a look at coin market cap real quick, some of the details. So right here, we just regained the $2 billion market cap on coin market cap. As you guys can see, traded at 33. The volume is down a little bit. So we are down 24% in the past 24 hours. 550 million is quite high in my opinion for Terra, Luna, Lunc. Now, if we have a look at the regular volume right here on the daily time frame, we can see that the volume is not exploding. We didn't see an explosive move like we saw right here when CZ announced it, but it is still going up. And if we have a look at the 1 hour time frame, we can see that the volume is actually increasing. So on the shorter time frame, it seems like there is more level, more pump, more uptrend to do essentially and to go. But on the longer time frame, it doesn't seem like it's gonna last, unfortunately. But we're gonna have to see how it is, guys. We never know. In order to build momentum, you need to start slow, right? So this is exactly what is happening right now on Terra, Luna, Lunc. We're building slow momentum. The volume is exploding. Everything is looking great. But guys, it is important not to be over leveraged, because it is very, very possible that we come back, retest this region by tomorrow, Sunday, before exploding back up again. But the good news is that we did close the 1 hour time frame above this resistance right here that I've been talking about, and we also did close, and we're about to close, sorry, on the 4 hour time frame and on the daily time frame. So the more time frames we close above the resistance, the better it will be for the longer term essentially. So things, guys, it is literally 3 a.m. where I am right now, so I'm very, very tired. I'm making this video for you guys because a lot of people came to me on Twitter and said, yo, can you make a update on Lunc? So yes, I am making an update on you guys right now. Currently 2:25, actually almost 3 a.m. In the morning. I'm absolutely exhausted, but this is the video for you guys, and I love you guys. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Peace out. Good night. Stay safe. Don't be over leveraged. And make sure you put your stop losses, guys. Very, very important, because we have these very, very spikes up and down. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.